Hello and welcome to SSC classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on general intelligence. As we know that general intelligence is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination and it requires all your reasoning abilities and numerical skills. So let's start with the first question. If a basket is written as TEKSAB, how can pillow be written in that code? So basket is written in this way, TEKSAB. As we can see that in that particular code, we just reverse the word basket. Therefore, pillow can be written as WOLLIP. Therefore, option B is the correct answer. Okay, now let's see the next question. In a certain code, topper is written as POTREP. In that code, which word will be written as RUBREG? So topper is written as POTREP. Now, as we can see, in topper we have two clusters of three words, uh, two clusters of three alphabets, that is TOP and PER. And if we reverse it, POT, and if we reverse PER, we get REP. Now, if we add these two, we get POTREP. So this is the basic coding. Now, in the word RUBRAG, if we similarly divide the word in cluster of two with three alphabets, we get RUB and RAG, and then reverse it, BUR, and then we get GER. And after adding this, we get burger. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Now let's see the next question. From the following two different appearances of dice, find out which color is opposite to white. So we have two dices. Okay, and in these dices we have colors white, yellow, red for the first, white, yellow, red, and in the second we have red, yellow, blue. In the front face we have red, in the upper face we have yellow, in the side face we have blue. Okay, now as we can see, in these two dices the color yellow and red are same. Therefore we can say that the third color blue is opposite to white. Blue is opposite to white. Okay, therefore A is the correct answer. Now let's see the next one. This is a question based on syllogism. So in syllogism question we are given a statement which is may not be or may not be similar to the commonly known facts, but we need to find whether the conclusions are right or not based on the given statement. The given statement is Rakesh is senior to Rajesh and Rajesh is senior to Rahul. So Rakesh is senior to Rajesh and Rajesh is senior to Rahul. Now let's see the first conclusion. Conclusion 1 says that Rakesh is senior to Rahul. Rakesh is senior to Rahul. Now as we can see from this pattern that from this hierarchy that Rakesh is senior to Rahul is a correct conclusion. So this is true. Now let's see the next one. Rahul is senior to Rakesh. Rahul is senior to Rakesh. So it is pretty much obvious that it must be false, as we already says that Rakesh is senior to Rahul. So the conclusion on one only follows, therefore option A is the correct answer. Okay. So we have solved all of the questions and that's all for today. If you want to join our classes, so feel free to contact us. These are the contact details of ours. You can WhatsApp us in these two numbers 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you can also check our website, which is www.sardosisclasses.com. Thank you very much.